morning, good afternoon, rather. Well, I personally feel because 5 minutes were given, so I have written down because in this age group I may forget many things which I want to point out. I'm honored to be part of this. Being a woman is a gift in itself. The ability to be a mother, the laughter of the daughter, and the smile of a sister are relationship we all cherish, and yet we challenge the authority of a woman. Why? She's the one entire family depends upon. She's raised in a fashion to be nurturer, the provider and never seeker, and case of a woman deviates from the stereotype role set upon her by society. She's being judged, questioned, challenged, and at times even abused. The lack of acceptance from the family or friend or society lead to the formation of a guilt and the wonderful woman of not being good enough. They are challenged at every stage of life and result it makes them feel that they are not being able to do enough for their homes or jobs or for the kids. In the hassle, women lose an essence of themselves and we lose the very woman we love. I did not believe that the woman is incapable of handling the house as well as work, but I am firm believer in having helping hand, a supporting arm in the form of a brother, father, or a husband who can set the right example for society. This support not only makes your woman happy but also makes a happier household and independent woman capable of handling the world. The COVID-19 has brought, but the media also has got a role that we get mental health issues quite in front, anxiety, depression quite a bit, and everyone's health, mental or physical, but have been the toughest on the women. The support system of our houses with no leaves, no break, and added pressure of maintaining the house along with the work, maintaining the work, the life balance has been tough for everyone, but this past year has been adversities could be seen on the woman too much. The last 3-4 years is in front of the multiple issues of depression, increased rate of anxiety, abusive relationship, domestic violence, and harsh negative household environment, which affected individual on a large scale. Last Lockdown has been felt up in many states across the world, and some are still observing it. It is but dry brings us the opponent to look upon these issues and make a better society a better. We have a multiple examples of women throughout the history who were the first woman athlete, the first woman psychiatrist, the first woman president, the torchbearer of change. But the strong, independent woman with the support of the family or without this is that they always want, we never gave up on their dreams, no matter the hardship. And that is what made them the benchmark of the next time to clerk. The There has to be impact with a lot of enthusiasm from the various organizations and independent people have come forward to discuss about this issue. But I don't want that this panel only discusses it and doesn't plan anything further and it is just rushed under the carpet. So we all want these organizations to have a real impact and really have an action plan to take the woman in a, let them cherish with the help of this thing. The man's attitude towards women has to be changed. That is the first and foremost thing, where we all have been discussing since morning, but we have to really work on it in a better way, that the husbands or the man in the house should change. Give them the freedom to talk, give them, take the full advice and not to abuse them, and let the flourish woman so that we have a wonderful ladies amongst us. I thank the organization for giving me a chance to speak to you all, but I really wish all the best, that you should really continue doing the work for the mental health. Mental health has changed since COVID has brought a lot of anxiety and depression in forefront, but for a woman, still it has not been discussed as we have been discussing since morning. We wish them all luck and wish you all best. And I really congratulate the awardees of the thing being a chairperson. I have to really mention that. And I hope people will be happy with what the result they got. Thank you so much.